All right, students, let's get back to our desk. Let's sit down. So, what did y'all think of our video that we watched about types of energy? Great. I'm glad to hear that y'all liked it, and I'm glad to hear that y'all got a little bit of information out of it. Well, let's go ahead and talk about the types of energy. So, move my stuff. There are multiple different kinds of energy. The ones that we're going to be focusing on today are mechanical, light, electrical, sound, and thermal. Mechanical is movement. It is a type of energy that moves by a machine or a moving part. So what is something that you can think of that is mechanical? Lindsay. Yes, perfect. Scissors. Yes, scissors are a perfect way or a perfect example of mechanical energy because they have to have movement in order to be used. All right, let's move on to light energy. Does anybody know what light energy is? Yes. Close. But yes, light energy, it travels in waves through space and you can see it. And light energy is the sun. What else kind of things do we have in our classroom or at home that are light energy? Crystal. Yes, a light bulb. Perfect. All right. Seems like y'all know what you're talking about. All right, moving on to electrical energy. Electrical energy is caused by the flow of electrons. It travels in circuits. So, like a TV, a cell phone, a tablet, those are electrical, right? Because they work from they're electrically powered. You can't just, you could plug them in, but they're electrically powered, correct? Yes. All right, let's move on to the next one. Sound. Does anybody know what sound energy is? Yes, it is what you hear. It is made by vibrations and vibrating objects. So what is something that we can say that is sound energy? Yes, Hayden. A guitar. Yes, a guitar is a perfect example of sound energy because you have to move the strings and it makes the beautiful music. Good job. All right, our last one, thermal energy. Well, thermal energy is also known as heat, but it is created by molecules moving very quickly. So what is an example of thermal energy? Yes, a fire. A fire is a good example of thermal energy. All right, so now that we've discussed all the different types of energies, we're going to go ahead and move on to our activity. So on your desk, you see that you have some items that you're going to be sorting and you're going to be placing in categories based on what kind of energy you think that they have. So the items that you have in front of you are a blow dryer, a flashlight, headphones, a pan, an electric fan, a light bulb, a candle, and a little drum. I'm going to do 2 to 3 with you, and then the rest of them you're going to do on your own. So let's talk about this. A blow dryer. What kind of energy does a blow dryer use? So, yes, Lauren. Yes, you have to plug it in. So if you have to plug it in, what is that? That is electrical energy, correct. But what else does it do? When it turns on, does it make a noise? What does it do? Yes, it makes sound and heat because it dries your hair. Correct. So you can put that under thermal, electric, and sound energy. Let's do one more together because I want you to do the rest of them on your own. A light bulb. What is a light bulb? Yes, light energy. Perfect, because when you twist it into the lamp, it comes on. Great job, guys. All right, well, I want you to go back to your desk, sit at your table, and look at those items, and I want you to sort them depending on what kind of energy they are. Good luck, and I'll be walking around and check for understanding.